Experience charm with a vertical garden bursting with cascading herbs and colorful blooms. Relax in a cozy nook with a rustic wooden table and chairs, enveloped by lush flower beds. It's the perfect garden sanctuary. Step into a sleek, minimalist garden where geometric raised beds meet clean gravel paths. Succulents and ornamental grasses bring texture, while a contemporary water feature adds a sophisticated touch. It's modern elegance in your backyard. Immerse yourself in a vibrant garden bursting with roses, tulips, and daisies. A charming white picket fence, a winding stone pathway, and a quaint shed draped in ivy make this garden a colorful retreat full of charm. Find tranquility in a Japanese-inspired garden with a serene koi pond and graceful stepping stones. Meticulously pruned bonsai trees and a zen rock garden add to the peace, while lush ferns and bamboo create a calming green haven. Step into an inviting cottage garden filled with lavender, sunflowers, and a charming rose-covered arbor. A small stone patio with a wooden bench provides the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the colorful blooms. It's a cozy, floral paradise. Discover stylish sophistication in a contemporary garden with sleek planters and modern outdoor furniture. Low-maintenance succulents and ornamental grasses keep things simple, while a minimalist water feature adds a cool, elegant vibe. Perfect for modern living. Embrace cozy charm in a rustic farmhouse garden with raised wooden beds brimming with veggies and herbs. An old-fashioned wheelbarrow adds a vintage touch, while hanging baskets overflow with colorful flowers, creating a warm, welcoming retreat. Escape to a lush tropical garden filled with large monstera and banana trees. Relax on a small wooden deck with tropical-themed furniture, while a cascading water feature surrounded by vibrant flowers sets the perfect, exotic atmosphere. Step into elegance with a formal garden design featuring manicured hedges, topiary trees, and a stunning central fountain. A classic stone pathway winds through blooming perennials and neatly trimmed flower beds, creating a timeless, sophisticated look. Enter a playful garden filled with colorful gnomes, twinkling fairy lights, and whimsical stepping stones. Bright flowers like marigolds and zinnias add bursts of color, creating a joyful, enchanting space that sparks the imagination. Embrace functionality with a sustainable garden featuring raised beds from reclaimed wood, a composting area, and a rainwater collection system. Grow vegetables, herbs, and native plants in a space that's eco-friendly and productive. Enjoy tranquility in a Mediterranean-themed garden with terracotta pots brimming with rosemary and thyme. A small stone patio with a wrought iron table and chairs offers a peaceful retreat, while drought-tolerant plants complete the serene, sunlit ambience. Create a vibrant haven for wildlife with native flowering plants and a charming bird bath. A small pollinator garden featuring coneflowers and lavender ensures a buzz of activity, making your garden a lively retreat for birds and bees. Transform your urban rooftop into a compact oasis with modular planters full of herbs and small veggies. Relax on comfy outdoor furniture and enjoy the cityscape view, blending greenery with city living seamlessly. Dive into a charming garden centered on edibles. Raised beds brim with veggies, a vertical garden thrives with herbs, and fruit trees in large pots offer fresh picks. A small outdoor kitchen completes the space, perfect for preparing your homegrown harvest.